Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum students. I hope you all are fine. So, welcome to Radiant Secondary School. As you all know that we were having the online session of classes for our subject, which is the biology. This is our lecture number 5 and we were doing chapter number 1, that is introduction to biology. In continuation of this chapter, today we are going to discuss one more topic from this chapter, and the name of the topic is careers in biology. Fine, like what are the careers that a student of biology can adopt? We are going to discuss that careers in this topic. So before moving towards today's lecture, first revise what we have done in previous lectures. Previously, we have discussed two things. First was the major biological issues. That was our question number 3. And then we moved towards the relationship of biology to other sciences, in which we discussed the relationship with chemistry, with physics, with mathematics, and all other relationship with different sciences. Fine. So I hope that you all have developed a better understanding of these two topics. Now we are going to begin towards today's lecture. That is lecture number 5, careers in biology. So now you know students, after having the knowledge of biology, after having the biology, after taking biology as your subject, you can adopt many careers in future. In this textbook, we are going to discuss few of them. For example, we can have the medicine. Next is we can adopt the career of fisheries. We can have the career of agriculture and the animal husbandry. Next, we have the horticulture. Then we have the farming. Then a student can also adopt the career of forestry. And finally, that career that we are going to discuss in this textbook is the biotechnology. Fine. So these all are the careers. In this lecture, we are going to discuss first 4 careers. So what is first one? On your screen, you can see there is a doctor and there is something diagnosing of the heart disease. So yes, you can guess it right. This is the career of medicine. Fine. So what is medicine? Profession of medicine is that my profession in which we are going to study. Okay? In which we are going to study about the diagnosis and the treatment. What two things are going to discuss? We are going to discuss two things in medicine. First is the diagnosis, how a disease can be diagnosed, and second one is known as the what is the treatment of that disease. First we have to diagnose that disease from which a patient is suffering, and then we have to find a treatment. Fine. So profession of medicine is the study of that deals with the diagnosis and treatment of diseases in the human. Fine. So we have to first identify that disease with the help of different tests, and then we have to use some treatment in the form of medicines, in the form of different that are being prescribed by the doctors. So this is the profession of medicine. Okay, in relation to this, we have one more profession, that is about the surgery. It is somehow related to the medicine. In surgery, what is that? Surgery is that profession in which we are going to do different things. What are these things? We are going to do different things with the parts of the body. For example, you can do the first one is that you can remove that part. Fine. If that part is damaged, if that part is not functioning properly, you can remove that part, and this is included in the profession of surgery. Next is repair. Fine. You know, you have observed that there are many examples in which the doctors are repairing the parts. For example, if there are certain arteries which are not functioning properly, if there are certain blockage in these blockages, these arteries can be repaired by different surgeons. Fine. And the third thing that we can do with in surgery is the replaced. Replaced means we are going to change it. Fine. We are going to exchange it with another organ. For example, you have observed and you have learned in your previous classes about transplantation. What is transplantation? It is the replacement of one unhealthy organ with a healthy one. Fine. Transplantation of liver and kidney. What is that? If the liver is not functioning properly, what we can do? We can replace it with a new healthy liver that is functioning properly. In the same way, if your one kidney is not functioning, you can replace it, you can transplant it with a healthy kidney. So what we have learned, that in surgery we can do three things to the parts of the body. those parts which are not functioning properly can be removed, can be repaired, or can be replaced. The next profession or next career is about the surgery, is about the basic course. Now what is basic course? Basic course is the MBBS. Fine. The profession of medicine and surgery is studied in the basic course MBBS. Fine. In the students of MBBS study about the surgery and medicine, and after completing MBBS they go for specialization. Specialization means they are going to being specialized doctors in one area. For example, you have observed about the heart specialist that we call them as a cardiologist, and next if we have the eye specialist and the ear specialist, fine. So these all are the specialization courses that are done after the MBBS. After student complete their MBBS, then they can go for specialization in a particular area. The next profession is about the fisheries. As from the name, you can easily guess that this profession is going to deal with the about what things we are going to see about the fish. And what about fish? This profession deals with the study of fish production. Fine. What is that? And how we can increase the fish production? What are the points that we have to do to increase the production of fish? And what are the things that are decreasing the fish production? So these all things or requirements are studied in the profession of fisheries. That is the fish production. Now, who can adopt the profession of fisheries? This professional course can be adopted if a student has completed bachelor's or master's. Bachelor's or master's degree in which subject? In two subjects. In which two subjects? For example, if the student has completed in zoology and fisheries. If student has completed bachelor's and master's in zoology and fisheries, then he can go for the profession of fisheries as his career. The next profession is about the agriculture. First of all, agriculture. What is agriculture? Agriculture is the profession that deals with the food crops and the animals. Two things. Fine. What are these two things? Food crops and the animals. And these food crops and animals are going to be used as a source of food. Fine. So in agriculture, we deal with those food crops and with those animals that are being used as a source of food for the humans. So agriculture is about the wheat. Fine. If you discuss about the wheat, if you discuss about the rice, how their production can be increased, how we can decrease their production. Similarly, if we talk about the cow or buffalo, which are used for different purposes, for meat, for milk. So this is all about this is all the things that we are going to discuss in the agriculture. Now, who can adopt the career of agriculture? This professional course can be adopted after having higher secondary education. Higher secondary education in which subject? In the field of biology. Now, if a student has completed its higher secondary education in biology, then he can go for the profession of agriculture as his career. The last profession for today's lecture is the animal husbandry. As the name is, this profession is related to the animals. Now, what we are going to see, first of all, this profession, that is the animal husbandry, is a branch of agriculture. In this branch of agriculture, we are going to see two things. We are going to see about the breeding and the care of. Breeding and care of the domestic animals. Breeding and care means how the animals interact with one another and produce new varieties. Breeding means the mating of two individuals, two animals, to produce a new organism. And what are the domestic animals? Domestic animals are those that are present in our homes. Fine. So animal husbandry is a dealing of these domestic animals, their breeding and their care. For example, we have sheep, cow in our homes that are used for different eating and for example for milk purposes. Similarly, the poultry farms are also there. They are also used. Their breeding of the animals in the poultry farms can be discussed in the animal husbandry. Now, which can adopt this profession? This professional course can be adopted if a student has completed its higher secondary education in the field of biology. Means if you are completing your higher secondary education in the field of biology, then you can adopt animal husbandry as the career or as a profession. Fine. So this was all about the today's careers that we have discussed. If you have any question, you can ask. So thank you.